Hello guys, it's ebuztrend again. In 2026, you don't need to learn coding to build advanced softwares anymore. In a few minutes of this video, you will see how to build and launch a full web application using Lovable AI. So let's get started. Head over to lovable.dev. Click on Continue with Google to sign in with your Gmail account. Type in your email address, next, then your password, and next. I want to build in light mode, next, and next. Now, pick a row that fits you best. I'm going to go with the other option. For this project, it is just me, so I'm going to go with the solo option also. When you are in the Lovable dashboard, navigate to the main prompt box and type in a prompt for what you want to build. Keep it short and precise. I want us to build a habit tracker app. So I'm going to type build a habit tracker web app with a dark mode, daily progress bars, and local storage. Ensure the build option below the chart in the drop-down list is checked before you click on the up arrow pointy button icon to generate the app. Now, Lovable builds and renders the application. It's going to take up some minutes to complete it. So go grab a cup of coffee while we wait. Alright guys, the app is ready. So if you want to tweak or change the appearance of any element on the application to suit your taste, you can select it and type in a prompt of how you want it to look, just like I am doing with the next button. I am trying to change the background color to red. This is the full view of our web app. When you click on the code menu, you will see the code. The More menu gives you access to where you can make some additional settings for your app. When you click on the edgy pointy arrow icon menu, it opens the preview of the app in a new tab. These are the various views of the app in mobile, desktop, and tablet mode. When you open the Publish menu, if you don't want to expose the link of the site fully on the web, but you want certain people that has the link to see it, Set the app visibility to public, as you can see here, but as soon as you are ready to publish it to the web for all to see, click on the publish button like I just did. Finally, the site is live using the Lovable subdomain link. You can link your own custom domain, but that requires a premium plan. Meanwhile, the app is live on the internet and anybody can find it. Leave a comment on what you are currently building with this approach. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon buttons to be the first to know when I publish new videos on AI tools. See you in the next one.